Hello everyone, and welcome to our documentation on how to make a Loom video. So sometimes we will ask you for a video to show us some sort of issue or problem you're having with one of our products. The reason we would say to record a video is because it's so much quicker than trying to write and describe it and then, us not being able to see it and how it works and all that. So a video is really helpful, and this product Loom makes it extremely easy to do, and you can just send us the link and you don't even have to send files or anything. Okay, so go to loom.com. You can learn more about it. That's where we are here, and they're talking about getting Loom for free, and of course it is. So then they just go over all of the features and highlights and things like that. So go to loom.com and you will have to create an account. You can see that they have options here. It says for Mac, Windows, and iOS. But I recommend using the Chrome extension. So if you're using Chrome, you can just use their Chrome extension. Here you'd want to sign up or create an account or sign in, whatever. And then over here is the Chrome extension. So all you got to do is type in Loom for Chrome, and it'll come up with this search result. It'll go to the Chrome store, and you can see I've already added it. Have their little icon right here in the top. So now that it's enabled, I can go up here and just, let's say I want to record something. So let's go to another website. Okay, so let's say I want to record this. So I go here and click on the little Loom icon, and you're presented with some options here. So you can record the screen and camera, which you don't really need to do. You'll see here in my video, it's going to put an image of me right now. There you go. All right, the other option here to the next middle here is screen only, and that's really all you need. And then the next option is full desktop or current tab. You can choose, like the current tab would just show what's in this tab, so you're not going to be able to switch. So if you're going to need to switch, don't choose current tab, just keep it on full desktop. Here it's a microphone audio, and you can even pick what microphone you want. I think I've actually enabled these options here, so you can click on that. And then once you're ready, when this is all ready to go, you click on Start Recording. Then you're going to be presented with this screen, and it's just basically saying, confirm you're going to record this. So click on it and then click Share. And then it kind of does a little countdown here. Okay, so now it's recording. You can see that it says Stop Recording here. So it's recording now. So let's say, you have some issue that you want to show us. You could just, go around and show it to us and describe it. And then when you're done, click on the Stop Sharing button. And then what it's going to do, all it's going to do is actually upload the video to their own servers for you. All right. And you could even go in here and, you could do all kind of stuff. You can edit it and everything, but you don't really have to for our purposes. You can just go here and you could give it a title. It automatically pulls in the name of the page. But really, you don't have to do anything except copy this link. You can literally go up here and click copy link and then just paste that in the email, and that's all you have to do. You don't have to send files. You don't have to give us any sort of other, information. It's really cool how it does this. It automatically uploads, and then we'll come in here and click play, and we'll see what's going on. And that'll be able to help us help you fix any issue that's going on. All right, so I hope this was helpful.